So the woodcutter walked away without a word after listening to the elder tree. Finally, he reached an aspen tree next to a cherry tree. Now, here are two fine trees, aspen tree and cherry tree. I'll cut them quickly and be on my way. My wife must be waiting for me, he spoke to himself. So, when he came across cherry tree and aspen tree, he thought I should cut these two trees as my wife is also waiting at home. So, he spoke all these things to himself. Just then, the aspen tree spoke tearfully. I pray, spare my life, dear woodcutter. What will become of good and honest folk in my absence? So, Aspen Tree requested to not cut him because, as she was worried about its honest and good folk in his absence. So here, folk is the friends. Aspen tree was worried about its friends. I don't understand, replied the cutter. The aspen continued, when I rustle my leaves in the wind, the robbers who came at night are frightened away. Thus I protect good folk, so you may well understand what value I bear. Now, Aspen Tree further explained that the when when it rustle its leaves in the wind, when it moves its leaves in the wind, robbers who came at night, they got frightened, they got afraid from the aspen tree. So this is the reason, and the tree pleaded woodcutter that you can imagine how important I am for my friends. Oh, I do indeed, came the reply, but I don't think this cherry tree serves any purpose. Woodcutter said, I don't think this cherry tree is important, so I shall chop this one for sure. Oh no, pleaded the cherry tree. Now, when the woodcutter moved towards the cherry tree said, no, as you can see, I am in my full bloom at present. Nightingales flock on my branches to sign in their beautiful voice. If you cut me down, there shall be no more nightingale songs to hear. Oh, I didn't realize that, replied the cutter and walked away. So, what happened? When the woodcutter thought that the cherry tree serves no purpose, let's chop the cherry tree. Cherry tree explained its importance. Like nightingales came and used to sing on that tree, and if he cut the cherry tree, there will be no nightingale songs to hear. Finally, woodcutter reached a rowan tree. Rowan tree, okay, and I believe you two have a good reason for not being chopped off. So, I would like to stop it here. Regarding Roman tree, we will discuss in the next class. Till then, read up till now in the class and try to find the question answers on your own. Have a nice day.